Hoću se sredi malo, brada je narasla. Izgleda kao lasičije gnezdo. Hoću da ličim na Dzejsona Momou. I da vidim da li mogu da me srede, da ličim na Dzejsona Momou. Sad ćemo da vidimo.
வண்டி கூட எங்களுக்கு வேணும் டீ பிடிக்காது எங்களுக்கு வேணும்ண்ணா டீ
Is it to find both of us has to be visible, huh? No, I'm saying to him, the camera, he has to be the cameraman now.
It's fine.
கரெக்டாக இருந்தா ஓகே வச்சு வக்காலா என்ன டைம் 6 o'clock நான் போயிட்டு பேக்கரிக்கு போயிட்டு வாங்கிக்கின்னு கொட்டை வச்சுட்டு வீட்டுக்கு போயிட்டு கிளாஸ் தான்மா பட்டா இது மாஸ்க் இல்லையா மாஸ்க் ரோட்ல இருந்தாலும் அது ஏன் பட்டி
No, I want beard and then massage.
Like very much short.
See, I want to look, you know, like who is Dzejsona Momou?
Number.
No, you have a, can you Google this guy, I show you.
Google mi phone.
Dzejsona Momou. I want to look like a Dzejsona Momou. The beard is really bad.
Different one can. Google.
Yeah. What is that? Like this. I want to be like Dzejsona Momou. Short here and then here a little bit.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me.
How many years you are living your health?
1 year.
Past 1 year.
Yeah. It's good, huh?
Yeah, it's fine.
It's oil apply, sir? Oil?
Yeah.
Is that?
Yeah.
Ilena.
Kurusundara nizo.
కొంచెం ఉంది.
That was not done for 1 year.
1 year, sir. 1 year.
Huh?
Nice hair, sir.
Thanks. It's from my mother.
Mother like that.
No, my mother hair.
వాళ్ళ అమ్మది గ్యాప్ కూర్చుంది చెప్పు ఇంగ్లీష్ అడుగు వాళ్ళ అమ్మ గ్యాప్ కూర్చుంది
ఏమని
ఈ ఎంటుకలు మీ అమ్మ గ్యాప్ వచ్చిందేదా అని అడుగు
మదర్ రిమెంబర్ యువర్ అడ్రస్ yes
My mother have the same hair.
okay father
Oh. Father is bald. Father don't have a hair.
ఆయన అన్నా ఒక గింట్లో కోసం
క్యాచ్ అవుట్ అనుకుంటా
Cricket, huh?
విలియమ్సన్ yeah you see Indian Premier League
I don't watch cricket.
not like sir
I don't understand cricket.
oh okay crazy then which sports you would like to
Football.
see
wash no sir
football
washing no
I watched today.
comb
Yeah, I know.
comb no ఏం రాదు చిక్క
Yeah, I know.
we don't start
I know. I don't comb my hair.
comb no
I'm lazy. When I'm in Bangalore, I'll come here and you will take care of my hair and the beard.
it's okay here is
You'll be coming
Here
here
is nice,
regularly.
Yeah.
looking good this here
Yeah.
huh okay
you'll be a regular
You'll be
customer
coming here regularly, customer, okay?
Yeah.
He will be taking care of you.
Yeah.
Beard and hairstyle.
from how many years are you in Bangalore
10 years.
yeah stay where are you staying
Kamanahali.
nice place sir
On a holiday.
my sister is house that's very sir
Which area? Kamanahali.
Kamnani Santi Sagar Empire Hotel
Okay. I know.
right left
I've been there last night. Empire. Chicken shawarma.
oh nice
do you like India
oh
Yeah. Lots of black dudes. I know.
do you like India
Yeah, I do, man. For 10 years I'm here.
10 years రా
నేను అడిగింది ఇండియా అంటే ఇష్టమా అని
Hmm?
అదే పొదేను
do you like India
Yeah, I do, of course. Are you playing bet? You
No,
put
no.
no money, huh?
only liking
You should get some money.
no
No betting.
no one shot my house
his wife will scold so if his wife
His wife.
will scold so
Coconut oil, huh?
yeah
It's nice, man. This is nice.
పెట్రోల్ కింద అది కొంచెం నిమిషం అట్లా కాటన్ ఇప్పుడు అంతా వచ్చుకొని ఉన్నాను నేను
ఇంటికి కాదు వచ్చేసి అలా ఇదే తలసంతా
ముందు తెలుసు లోపల అంటే క్యాన్ తెచ్చేయాలి మీరు ఎదుగుతారు
where are your parents
My parents
yeah
in Serbia.
oh
Back
Europe
home. Yeah, Europe.
okay
How old you are?
he's 30 years old
Your age.
My age is 36, sir.
36.
36 ah
What do you think how old I am? My age. The black seeds. I don't know the name.
black seeds ah
Made of some black seeds.
yeah it come from plants
But coconut oil is good also.
napisande madugo
Sir, it's okay?
Yeah, just do it.
paining or what
No. This is nice. This is really nice. You're Tamilians.
No, no, no.
Telugu.
Telugu.
Telugu is Hyderabad, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been Hyderabad many times.
Oh, but we stay here only.
Yeah, Hyderabad biryani is the best.
Spicy.
I like it. Mutton biryani in Hyderabad is.
You have tasted in Chowk?
Huh?
చౌక్ అంటే ఏమంటలేవు మనకి.
What?
ఏమన్నా ఫేమస్ హోటల్ ఇస్తే
Broadway. చౌక్ అంటే అమ్మా మీ ఏరియా మాత్రం వద్దు.
ఏరియా పేరే చౌక్ కాదు.
చౌక్ అన్నది చెప్పుకోరు అదంతా తెలిసేదే.
It's a famous hotel in Shivaji Nagar.
Famous what?
Famous hotel.
What's the name of the hotel?
శివాజీ నగర్ సార్.
I know that's a marketplace.
Russell Market.
Ah, okay.
Do you know Russell
I
Market?
know.
It's opposite to that.
Ah.
The hotel name is
Empire, also Royal Empire, Sagar.
There is one place in Shivaji Nagar called Ustad.
What?
Nice hotel sir.
They had a very good food.
అది ఎక్కడ ఉంది?
Resort అన్నమాట.
Oh.
ఇంకంతా సెలవు దిగున్నాయి.
ఎక్కడ మనకి ఇక్కడే
ఆ రోజు ఏం ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుందో తెలుసు. ఆ తెల్లాడు నేను ఎత్తి ముసలాగా ఎత్తుంటాను.
ఇండియన్స్ కూడా కొద్దిగా ఏమి అవుట్ వేసినారు. ఆరులో గుడ్డ ఉన్నాడు. ఇంకా ఎందరూ ఉన్నారా? ముగ్గురు ఎవరు ఉన్నారు?
వాడు చిన్నోడు స్పాట్ మన్ను పోయింది కొట్టినారు ఆ 6 లో.
What is the name of this massage?
Head massage.
కోకోనట్ హెయిర్ ఆయిల్ మసాజ్. రెగ్యులర్ మసాజ్.
It's normal massage.
We don't have that in Europe.
Oh.
అప్పుడంతా ఎట్లంతా
ఇట్లా అదంతా లేదా?
You won't do massage over there?
No, this is really nice. No, I don't want to do massage, no. But they don't have this.
Okay. They won't do over there.
They just cut your hair and that's all.
How much do you cost?
I don't know. I didn't go to the barber. This is my first time actually.
నేను పుట్టినప్పుడు
No, in Europe, how much they cost?
What?
for one haircut.
I'll tell you. One moment. Maybe from 300 to 500 rupees.
Okay.
Maybe.
That's
Only for
euros,
haircut.
right?
Yeah, only haircut.
For beer?
I think it's the same.
వాళ్ళంతా నా పరిస్థితి
చాలా ఉడికెత్తుకొని సిక్కింది.
మామూలు కొడుకు కాదురా నాకు ఎత్తుకుంది
ఏళ్ళు నప్పిస్తాను కదా.
6 days.
ఓకే సార్
Yeah.
నైస్ సార్
It's nice.
మెత్తగా
Oh man, this is really nice. There's a lot of tension, you know.
యా
Tension, daily tension. టెన్షన్ టెన్షన్ అంటే ఏం టెన్షన్ చెప్పండి
అడగలా
టెన్షన్ అంటే
ఓకే సార్
Yeah.
ఓ ఏం నా ఇస్తుంది
నా టెన్షన్ కాదు మనకి ప్రెషర్ ఇచ్చేసేదాన్ని టెన్షన్
నేను చేయంత తెస్తాను కదా
చేయాలి గో బ్యాక్ సార్
ఓ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అది
నాకు ఇది బ్యాక్
బట్టే కళ్ళు తెలుస్తాలే అన్నీ అండి ఓ వికెట్
Just press stop and press again record. Iz trećeg pokušaja, evo me ispred berberaja, ovo je ekipa pomoćnika, glavni je otišao u WC, evo sredili su me neviđeno, bradica, masaža sa toplim kokosovim uljem, sve za 300 rupija, kao preporođen. Sjajno. Ne znam da li baš ličim na Dzejsona Momou, tu mi je bio cilj, možda je kažem 50% na boljem svetlu. Cool. Say hello to Serbia. Supreme hairdresser, ovako se zove radnjica, to ću da stavim kasnije na snimak.